Hi guys, Mili is my name. I've been using the Notion app for a while and I want to share my opinion about it and share my experience about it too. Why did I choose to use the Notion app? First of all, because of all the hype during the last 2 years. Because everybody was talking about this best productive app you can ever use in your laptop, app, web app, whatever you want to. And I was like, okay, I'm curious about it, let's try it. And second option is completely free if you're using for yourself. If you're a student even, then you can use the student, let's say, coupon that help you to get the Status Pro and with additional features. It's not necessary, but if you want to. And the third plus is, I would say, I would like to improve my productivity, my to-do list. I just always overestimate my to-do list and always don't finish my to-do list in a day. That's sad. And I hope that trying to use more, it will help me to exactly to measure how many tasks, for example, I can do in a day, or just plan my exams upcoming to make sure that I can do them properly, prepare for them too. Before showing how it works and what it is, I really recommend install the app, and after it, just really recommend to also to visit the website from Notion to understand. It's a lot of videos, information to help you understand and get started as soon as possible. And if you don't understand, you always can watch a YouTube tutorial to it. It's not a tutorial, just guideline, let's say. It's gonna help you. Anyway, let's start to create our new page. Everything consists in everything what you see in the Notion app. It's called blocks. So let's create new page. Let's call it essay 0. That's how you created your first, let's say, page. And you definitely, if you're just typing slash, you definitely find a lot of features. Let's say we want to use the heading. Let's call it the Greek Empire. I just watched the movie about it, so I just called it the Greek Empire, and all you need information to use it. That's how it works. For example, if you want to make a table, let's say just from year 12, I don't remember the year before Christ, etc. All you need, if you want to highlight something, definitely. If you want to quote something, definitely a lot of information. A lot of features to use it. That's how we created it. Definitely you can see here essay 1. And there are a lot of templates you can use, for example, to make it easier. For example, if you're a designer, you're doing roadmap, just use this one and just type it, use this template, and you come to this kind of database format of page. How to create it? We can definitely create ourselves. Let's say table. That's our database. It looks almost the same, but it's just added a lot of information. We can definitely do that. We can definitely choose by calendar, for example. Just a moment. Definitely see. It's definitely show you everything what you need to know. In the end, I just want to say thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope the video has been beneficial to you. And if you like the video, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos about it.